It's 2022. It's been over a year since my last YouTube Out and About series video, My Dark Winter. COVID hit.
Concerns about the deadly coronavirus.
Global health emergency.
Everyone quarantined. You already know. Bottom line, everything shut down and I had nothing to do. So I would go on my daily bike rides, film, hike, and repeat. I then worked with a Portland-based production company called Bridge City Media. I was part of an awesome team. Met amazing clients and filmed so many projects. But it was time for the next big thing. Moving to Seattle taught me a lot. You ask what? Where in the world would you find this thing randomly blasting music while driving down the street? And they're even cool enough to invite me on. I rode with them for a bit and then jumped off. Well, I don't know where. So I had to find my way back to the Space Needle. But seriously though, the world is limitless, and possibilities are endless. As cliche as that might sound, it's true, and I felt it again. I am Saleh, and happy 2022.